Hello guys, it's me Raman. Today I came up with a surprise video for you. So I will show you that in 3 seconds. Ready? One, two, three. I'm in Munnar, Kerala. So one of the very beautiful hill station in Kerala. I will show you the nature treats now. So this is my hotel room and shoot balcony. So from here I can see all the hill station. So I will show you. I will go into the balcony in a moment and I will show you everything. So this is the pure nature treat you can watch. Now the time is around 7:45. You can see still the fog is around in the mountains.